Hey everyone, in today's video we're diving into the topic of expert witnesses in court trials. We will cover what an expert witness is, their role in legal proceedings, and how the new rules of court 2021 along with the Supreme Court practice directions have updated the framework for expert witnesses in Singapore. Let's start with the basics. An expert witness is a person with specialized knowledge, skill or training or experience in a particular field who is called to testify in court. Their role is to assist the judge by providing an informed opinion on matters that require technical or specialized expertise, such as medical conditions, financial valuations, or engineering assessments. Unlike other witnesses, expert witnesses provide opinions rather than factual evidence. However, their opinions must be grounded in reliable and accepted principles or methodologies within their field. Let me give you an example. If a case involves a complex financial dispute, a forensic accountant may be called as an expert witness to analyze the financial records and provide an opinion on whether there has been fraud. Now let's discuss the role of an expert witness in trials. Expert witnesses are essential in cases that involve complex or technical issues that are beyond the general knowledge of the court. They can be called by either party in a dispute or appointed by the court to provide an independent assessment on an issue. Their opinions can be influential in the court's decision-making process, but it's important to note that the court is not bound to accept their views. The judge retains the discretion to weigh the expert's testimony alongside other evidence. Now let's dive into the changes brought about by the Rules of Court 2021 regarding expert witnesses. Number one, the principle of proportionality. One of the significant changes under the new Rules of Court is the emphasis on proportionality. This means that expert evidence should only be used when it is necessary and proportionate to the issues in dispute. The court may disallow expert evidence if it deems it to be disproportionate or unnecessary. Order 9 Rule 21 requires parties to seek the court's permission to call expert witnesses. The application must explain why witness evidence is necessary, what issues the expert will address, and whether expert evidence will contribute materially to the determination of any issue that relates to scientific, technical, or other specialized knowledge, and whether such issue can be resolved by an agreed statement of facts or by submissions based on mutually agreed materials. The court must not approve the use of expert evidence unless it will contribute materially to the determination of any issue in a case, and the issue cannot be resolved based on mutually agreed materials. The aim is to ensure that expert evidence is not used to unnecessarily complicate or prolong the court proceedings. Supreme Court practice directions complement the Rules of Court 2021 by providing practical guidance on handling expert evidence. In particular, Form B7 requires parties to provide information on the expert, including his qualifications, a full and detailed description of the facts upon which the expert will consider in reaching his opinion. Also, if more than one expert is required, the party will have to provide justifications for this. As you can see, the new rules aim to prevent the misuse of expert evidence to overwhelm the court or the opposing party with unnecessary complexity. Lawyers need to be strategic in deciding whether to seek expert evidence and should be prepared to justify the necessity of such evidence during the pre-trial proceedings. To sum up, the role of expert witnesses has been fine-tuned under the new Rules of Court 2021 to enhance the efficiency and fairness of legal proceedings in Singapore. The focus is on using expert evidence judiciously, ensuring that it adds value to the case rather than complicating it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.